What's up, guys? A quick video before I head to bed. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, so I probably should already be in bed. But I just I like being up at night. So this Rose Davis girl, I watched her interview that she did, and how she knew Brian and how she met Gabby and the whole thing. And I get it that she didn't cry, she didn't show like emotions, but people show emotions in so many different ways. Some people laugh, some people cry, some people are scared, some people shake. Some people just don't even come around, so you don't see their emotions. There's a car going by my house pretty slow at 2 o'clock in the morning. I got cameras so I can see the cameras from over there. Uh, but anyways, this girl, I think she had something like, was she with Brian? Like, was she cheating, helping him cheat on Gabby? No, no, she wasn't. She wasn't, guys. She wasn't. I don't care what you comment. You're gonna comment what you want to comment, but what you're not thinking about. Keep throwing this girl under the bus. Keep throwing this Rose Davis girl under the bus. Keep pushing her down, guys, because she now has had her TikTok uh, taken down because of you guys. Probably going to lose other things, Facebook, different things. She's going to be taken down off social media because you guys are going after her because she may have done something with Brian that you have no clue if she did. But here's the thing that you're not thinking about. The thing you're not thinking about. If and when they catch Brian, if he is alive, he is going to go to court. He's going to go to court. He's going to have to face charges for laundering and for Gabby and maybe some other stuff. And Gabby's family is gonna have people on their side that testify. And this Rose Davis person is actually a good person for them to have testify about how Gabby was, who Gabby was, what Gabby was to her, what Gabby was to Rose. And if you keep causing her to go down and down and down and down, she's no longer a good witness anymore because you guys destroyed her as the witness. I mean, does that make any sense whatsoever? People are just making stuff up now. Like a bird, literally a bird flying over the field, people said was Brian running out of the woods or running in the woods. Unless the guy can fly, it wasn't a person at all. It was a bird. Like literally, you see this thing go across the river. Like unless you're this big like a bird and you can walk or float across water, it wasn't a person. And people are like blowing this up like he was running out of the woods. It wasn't him. It was a bird. And keep going after this Rose Davis person. She's not going to be uh, a good person to put up there on trial. When the trial happens, she's not going to be a good person for Gabby's family to use because you guys destroyed her. For what? Because you think she done something with Brian? You have no clue. There's nothing pointing to that. Nothing pointing to that at all. But yet here you are getting this girl's Twitter took or not Twitter, but TikTok took him down. Uh, why? It didn't gain any. It didn't gain anything. It's actually pretty stupid, and I just don't get it. Like, find real leads, guys, and go with the real leads. Go with real things. Uh, Speculate if you have to, but destroying people that might have to testify, probably not the best idea. Just saying. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.